Alright, this is the Norcal Ri3D. We got some alumni, actually a lot of alumni and current members. I'm Sai, I'm from BarkBots and 1095R. This is Tiffany Wangatron from 2053X and 9123C. This is Kunal from BarkBots K and Cascade Robotics. This is Bobby Lipsit, the GOAT, no introductions needed. This is Joseph, the world champion from CP Slow. This is Drew from 95071Y. And this is Miggle, 1095R. This is Suki Smash from 2570R. This is Rats, aka Ronin from 1095R. This is Malgar from 392X. This is Arpits from 2570R. And here is Luke, does robotics, the better one. And here is Brian.
Okay, here we have our 450 RPM on 2.75 inch base on 5 motors. And we made sure that we have either gear right over here so we can have our crossbar really low to the ground. And we have a gearbox over here that I can go into that explains how our 5.5Y is connected to our base.
So the only way to do this is basically the 5.5L was on the same axle as this 36 tooth gear. So we had a screw joint which mounts these two free spinning gears together, and it also connects the motor together. So that way we can also save weight and we can make this thing impossible. And we had to do a gear increase ratio because this spins at 200 RPM and a normal motor spins at 600 RPM. And we have one high strength axle cross brace here and one back cross brace, and that's all.
Yeah, moving on to the intake, we have 4 stages. One flex wheel first stage, counter roller, and these are with the 4-inch Omni rollers on a low strength axle. And then we have 2 band sprockets over here that goes into our claw, which we'll talk more about later. One thing that was nice that we had to do for the flex wheel first stage was we had to cut out one of the flex wheels to make sure that when the cup comes in at like a super flat angle, it would bias one side more than the other, kind of like last year's intakes for pushback. And you want to talk about the funnels?
So we got 5 pieces of plastic here on the bottom, and this helped bring the cup all the way to the end. And what we have is we have these four pieces of plastic for these curved pieces. And what this allows us to do is bring the cup from like any orientation into like a straight line. And then we have this bottom piece that's angled like this. So when the cup comes in flat, it will rise up on this this incline, and it will go in nicely.
You're gonna demo it. You got it?
I put it on pocket.
You're still recording?
Yeah, just do rollers.
The toggles need to be toggled. And we are all about simplicity with this robot. and really designing to the strategy. Well, I mean, most of the strategy is about winning. And in order to win, we need to flip the toggle. So the toggle gets pushed, and I don't remember whether this flexes up or down, honestly, but it goes in and it gets it from underneath, and it's like.
Okay, so for the lift, for the claw, we have a lift here that uses a 5.5 geared to a 12 tooth and a 48 tooth that lifts this. Can you lift? Lifts the claw, and for the claw, it has another 5.5 watt that drives these 2-inch flex wheels onto this 36 or 36 with 2 sprockets that connects the claw's 2 stages, and this is this a 60 tooth sprocket?
60? It's way low.
Wait, what is this? Wait. That keeps these 2 stuck in the claw, and then when we want to release, you just spin it in the opposite direction and it drops onto the base.
And over here, this is called the wrist mechanism over here. So you know the song My Wrist by Yeats? So basically we're trying to find songs for the Ri3D, and we listened to My Wrist by Yeats, and we were like, oh my god, what if we create a wrist? Basically what happened is, it's like a handle, so like when we pick up the robot, so we're very innovative, like just like Bobby said, simplicity is very good and design matters a lot. So we designed the robot to be carried very easily too, and that's that. Wedges, guys! Wedge!
Alright guys, so something really important is that driving is everything in Vex games, and so you need to make sure you have wedges to like go and interfere with other robots so they can't move. This year we try to invest in one wedge for a very specific reason, because the reason why is because because it depends on the mood of the driver. If the driver is very like angry, he can use the wedge, and if he's left-handed, he can use the wedge. But if he's right-handed, he's nice. He did his homework. He can
pulling the metal down.
Oh yeah, wait. That comes later. That comes later. Also,
the water.
Also, you'll notice there's no hard stop on this wedge. As you can see, it can go all the way in.
And that's like for our kickstand.
And it's for our kickstand mech because we're out of size. So like it starts like this, and then you can drive forward and it expands. And also we have 3 Omni wheels. So like this is like a mini traction wheel because it's like traction on the ground, you know. And when we were cutting this, it's like gets really hot, so we use like very advanced water cooling mechanisms like last year when we just put this in a cup of water and it works perfectly and it just cools down.
And then Michael drank the water
again. Yeah, that happened. Michael, how'd it taste?
It's great. Yeah.
Michael, are you winning your Clash game?
Oh yeah.
So, orange juice, guys.
Yeah, so basically there's like string and then a winch and then it just lifts. So this is a Cascade lift, so it's like 2 C-channels and then they're bearings, so they goes up. And then we have like limiters here, so that we found like if you go too high to the max, it like wiggles a lot. But then if you like stop it earlier, since there's like more distance between the bearings, it's like more like rigid. Ooh, tech.
Well said.
How tippy are we?
Like, not at all.
So the wedges
anti-tip.
Yeah. But only on one side.
Because this side has the motor.
Exactly.
Put in that. Awesome. You see how it holds it passively?
Yeah, and then drop down. Up down. Ooh. And then we're able to stack 5.
6 actually.
Oh, yeah, go get dinner, bro.
We talk about this battery mount. We talk about the battery mount.
Talk about the battery mount.
Alright, do I cut it?
No, I just cut that shit, bro. What do you have left?
The wiring, bro. He spent so much time making it beautiful.
Oh yeah, you guys talk about the wiring.
Guys, why can't I like turn the intake? Like, is there something wrong with this?
Okay, let's start from here. 3, 2, 1, go.
It's been recording, by the way.
It's been recorded.
So getting the wiring right for the Cascade is really important, so you don't like pull the wires tight and like get them tangled and everything. So we have like slack up here, kind of like you would do on a turret, and so that way when you lift it up, then you can, this will go all slack to like when it gets taller, and that's where all the height goes. There you go, Exhibit A. Oh. So like now the whole height. Whoa, look at that. But yeah, the friction is like really bad, and so like it's don't do elevator. It's really hard to get working.
Wait, what the heck are they supposed to do? All of them are building elevators. What the heck are they doing?
But every single
one of them is building an elevator.
You hear the motor, right? Turn it off.
Getting this working is like a nightmare.
Oh, okay. Battery mount. So we prioritize very low CG, just like Bobby said.
This is my battery mount.
I don't know. I didn't actually say that.
Alright, well.
Alright, so you see this beautiful battery mount we got? See, like, it can't wiggle.
Oh shit. Bro, what the fuck are you talking about? The motor's out.
That's why he took
I think it's clearly the smartest guy in the world.
Wait, how is that even possible? Where did you put the car?
No, the shaft
is too long.
Brian.
No, we just cut it before the shaft.
Your battery.